the Nextdoor app for a meeting about information for solar, and it was a RSVP. So I took the liberty to answer the RSVP and show up at the meeting. And there I got a lot of information about solar panels and the energy efficiency and the benefits of solar. Son was very instrumental in providing information regarding solar, as well as a co-op organization. All of the members were able to come together, meet. We were able to select an installer for this grant program. So we were able to ask those questions. We were able to call them up on the phone if we had any questions about installation or any details pertaining to the installation of the solar panels. My solar panels were installed November of 2020. One of the things that was a surprise is that it was installed same day. That they were able to get all the wiring and all the connections done without any problems or issues. Well, the Solar Edge app, it is called the Solar Edge app. And so when my solar panels got installed, they also asked me to download this app, which will monitor how much energy I am making. It also gives me a year comparison from when the year that I got my panels installed, which was 2020, and it gives me a comparison to date. This is very helpful because it's not just numbers just floating around in the sky. This is something that you can connect this to. You can connect this to the energy that you're making, the length of sunlight hours you have versus how much energy you can make in a day. That is awesome if you think about it. I am able to get even more repairs done because of the strength of my budget, because of solar and saving energy. So again, it is strengthening my budget, so I can be able to do things to my property and take vacations and do the things that I would love to do.